My philosophy begins with a simple premise. Computer proficiency is the literacy of the 21st century. Education is the foundation upon which the American dream is built. It is in theory the door which opens opportunity to all. Unfortunately, our American dream is a bit more nightmarish for many, particularly those who are poor, have colored skin, live among families where English is not the dominant language, or any combination of all of these. Technology has the potential to level out some of these inequities, but only if we are alert to its attributes and benefits, and if we embrace the opportunity it presents. We must provide not only the hardware and software of technology to all students, but we must create the right environment in which their explorations will thrive. We speak in pedagogy of the individualized opportunity of individual design and multiple intelligence, and the habits of mind developed through their inquiry model. When we watch students of all ages engage with technology, whether it is a smartphone, a computer, an iPod, GPS navigator, or even the DVR, we can learn from our students how they engage with information and how they choose to learn. Technology has opened to all of us the experience of nonlinear learning, thinking, and problem solving. It has taken a linear inquiry model and reinvented time by enabling concurrent and convergent logic processes. Technology is educationally agnostic. It is not hidebound to any one theory and is thus ultimately the most democratic educative experience. But we can only experience these opportunities if we seek the means to address and redress the inequity in our public school system. Inequity born of the denial and refusal of so many of us to live the social contract implicit in our democracy. When all students have access to computer literacy, we can begin to truly educate them for their futures.